Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to download the Iberia Airlines app on your smartphone. Iberia Airlines is the flag carrier of Spain. Whether you are a frequent flyer or planning for your next trip, having the Iberia Airlines app on your phone will make the managing of your travels very easy and convenient. So we're going to look through how to download its app. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and find the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Here I'm using my Android phone, so I'll go on and open my Google Play Store. Once you are in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it and type in Iberia Airlines. You'll see the Iberia Airline app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. Here I can see Iberia Airline app developed by Iberia LAE. So this is the official one. So tap on it to open the app page. On the app page, you'll find an install button if you are using an Android device or get button if you're using an iPhone. So tap on it to start downloading the app. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically get installed on your device. You can see the open button over here. You can directly launch the app from here. Tap on open. You can choose if you want to receive the notifications from this app. I will choose later. And there you go, you've successfully downloaded the Iberia Airlines app. Now take some time to create your account and you are ready to explore its features. You can book flights, you can manage your bookings, check in online, and even access exclusive offers. So happy travels! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.